gonna show up on the immigration because I don't see her.
For me, been an awful good girl, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight.
A true Jamaican Christmas greeting I extend to you. Just come on over, there is room. There's no winter time, there's just sweet sunshine at Christmas Jamaican style.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to KeneishaSays. I'm gonna whisper right now. Right now we're running to the airport because we have a special delivery that we have to pick up. Okay, so come with me to the airport. We're gonna surprise everybody right now. Let's go. Supposed to freeze. She's supposed to have on her grey
If you come out, so just you come out and just go and you just go sorry.
Come out and walk.
Just walk you want a southwest turn as a southwest. Yes, I don't know this she will get her come through with her back and I'm the phone anyway, so you can
So oh me don't reach your babes.
but we can't see you. We can't see you even know if you come over here.
Alright, I'm gonna jump out. Got it?
Let me just go. So go through the first one, the carousel turn. One of them doors, so you see carousel ready for your mommy coming back.
Alright. Alright guys, we're going to pick up the package. Okay, this I'm looking at people in the airport. Let's see her.
Attention Southwest Airlines would like to welcome our passengers on flight 4274 from Orlando, Florida. Your bags are currently being hauled with from the airport carousel number 1. As most of the bags of the flight, please take a moment to mention the contents with your bag tags to ensure you're taking your bag and your bag home. As always, so we want to thank you for flying to Southwest. And welcome to our firm.
I'm gonna show them from the immigration because I don't see her. You guys are wondering, Keneisha, this is such a rush video. You haven't said anything much. What is going on? On a soon sing. You guys soon see, okay? Just bear with me. Where is she? You don't love me, hello. You don't love me, where the hell are you?
To the door.
Say hi.
Hi.
You can't get up now, no more. You can't get up now. We'll find her, people, we'll find her.
So
You know, long I've been walking back and forth, like, where are you?
So you want something that you check but to push me no more?
No, ma, we just come on right here. So she's okay, right? Thank you so much. Yeah, we just come on right here. So try this circle. What happened? Oh, okay.
Keneisha,
Really? Oh, you last pick up on the plane? And you have a something. What color suitcase you looking for? Hold on from this. This is your jacket and the tam in my pocket. And I look for. And I see people in the wheelchair. So I said, no, sir. At first I was looking like, where are you coming from? Come in here all along. And I walk up and down and look for you and couldn't find you. You're cold? Aww.
How are you?
Man, try the circle every minute.
It's like Keneisha, the line was so long. It's like going early and
Me see it, me keep on a track it.
the phone dead, that's why.
So just one suitcase?
Two. One brown one and one and the regular one. But they have two red shirts.
Like I do want full flight, man.
The wheelchair never even carry you up fast.
Guys, me get my package. I'm gonna say she freezing.
Yes. Oh my god.
I say me there walk up. I wonder if immigration old mommy. I wonder babes. That's one of immigration old mommy.
Come here, so we don't go through immigration. You know, so I just customs just take your bag and go about your business.
When you late, man.
You can go through immigration.
When I late, no, but sometimes when I come up and say when I late.
When I
Oh, yeah.
Immigration one time.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay.
Yeah. So me did I say, me turn up and I say, no, sir.
You say, you're not going to make this flight.
You know I saying almost miss the flight.
Yeah,
and my
so
last
the
one
guy
go on
with
this
the
one
wheelchair,
now.
they say, you're not going to make this flight. But I trust that
Jesus.
just look at the line. You look at that visitor's line. Look at the whole entire place.
Oh, it's to go to the immigration.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
So, yeah,
Oh.
I don't think you're going to make it.
Yeah, no, I put them asleep except for TJ, so when I go and I surprise TJ first and I put them wake up. So guys, we're going home.
Thank God.
Come here for a second.
I seen the suitcase. I was like, wait, what happened?
Oh God.
Did I grow or did you shrink?
Me shrink. Me know say no see suitcase.
Yeah, but you don't know. I can't get at the bottom of the game.
My baby TJ.
Tevi, who is this, Tevania? Tevania, who is this, mama?
You
You must sleep. Come here, baby. Take time help him now. Who is this, Debbie? Who is that? Grandma.
Debbie. Who is this?
She's gonna sleep with you tonight, okay? She's still asleep.
I can't sleep now. A joke here, Mick. A joke here, Mick. You're so glad you see grandma, not true? Alright, you're waiting.
Every day. 62 pounds, not you know?
Oh?
62.
Waiting, man. Look at Debbie. I left you here at 5 months old and I come back, you're a big girl.
You know, say, oh. Huh? Say that, oh, grandma.
Me.
Huh? Go over for grandmother. Then I didn't sleep, people would just wake them up. They were sleeping.
What bigger?
We were sleeping.
Yeah.
Try.
Sure, back in bed, my good. Alright, going back on the bed. I'll see grandma later, okay?
Alright. Yes, baby.
Then go back on them bed. People then go back on them bed. Check one of them slippers. Check one of them slippers out this one. For right now. So she said the green and the black one.
Okay, I'm gonna go
Put it right behind Savannah. Sure, but open.
I'm gonna realize I'm a bit more.
So you're not open. You're not gonna go in there. No, you want to see if it's still where you can't go to work tomorrow. We go there now. We not there all day tomorrow.
No man. Me know man.
Give me this out of them.
Take out the things them.
Give me this out of them.
A bag, me say more bag out the things them.
Sure.
Bag, see, my bag,
You don't need to bag anything. Just put them
why? In a way.
They can go in the pantry. I'll put them in the
so
pantry.
what you carrying on me?
You don't need, that's okay. Put them on the countertop.
Come put this in my bag.
You don't need...
Unless things you carry downstairs, yo.
No, don't worry about it. Why are you going to come and get out of them?
Me say unless things you
What
carry
make you bag up
downstairs.
the things them?
I'm not to carry downstairs, but put them down Keneisha.
Share the teeth all like sitting them people. They are regal. Gizada. Bulla. Where you else the teeth from nothing?
Yeah, put something in the tell them we're going to go pack them out.
You gonna pack them out? Enough drops in this man. You can sell. You can go and go sell drops. Peanuts. And the peanut them are not for you. Just to make you know. Okay, nothing else in there, sir. Bun. Oh man, I don't know that now.
That is for that, right? That's honestly.
A two peanut we find. Yeah.
So I that be food, yes, alright? You can't get that fresh. But I eat this.
Let's see if you know go upstairs to them. Not trust them now, man. Not trust them, man. Make sure they're not noticing anymore. I'm not noticing them through.
It's so nice.
It's nice even though, but no.
You know, I'm going to eat none.
We eat already, man. Just want to keep that one if I say, well, I'm not fear and track and I'm trying over there when they eat the first one. I told them I make.
China one no more, this year.
I told them I make.
I'm going to put 30 seconds.
Yes, baby. That's why I told you to leave it. That's why I was going to do it.
You join 2 ideas on that. Bammy, do you find Bammy? Oh, I'm not this today.
Eh? Okay.
So this have to go upstairs though?
Yeah.
And different stuff. Oh.
Bag like, no.
Come people can look on frozen stuff. What is that? If me open up, me no want to open and nothing but the force, you know. Me not zip up bag open. The meat go downstairs. You have breadfruit.
So,
More breadfruit.
just made this one. Our people are installed it up there.
3 bag of breadfruit. 1 of it gem.
One for Jen, not two for you.
Me just don't kick you out. One of me and 2 for gem. I see.
Don't put them in the put them up and then put them first one.
No, enough for some. I already pack up. I already fixed up my stuff today.
So in a piece, you go put more things in there.
I already fixed up these today for things like this. I think I'm gonna expect this thing. Just to try the banana. Boy,
So you can split on a parcel.
Bammy.
Coconut powder.
Yeah.
alright, I'll just put more ackee. Alright, this is a cane. 2 bags of cane.
You get no cane.
2 bags of cane.
Plain food, that you know.
Take it back, smash up. Oh god.
What is them? I'm not sure.
I'll put them in a Ziploc bag.
Yeah, right.
The box tear up, there's a company in the fridge, so.
Oh yeah, I can't put it. Yeah, because it go freezer burn.
Put them in a...
Sorry.
But there should be 5 people.
Look
Much is that, bro?
Look behind us.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 of them.
That's size 0.
Alright guys, so I couldn't go to Jamaica, so I brought Jamaica to me. So yeah. Oh, then I get none sign. So it's the moment over there, so now we'll see more of her. She will be here for a long time. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching. Oh, you haven't subscribed yet. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Like this video, comment on the comment section, and share. And until later, guys. Bye.
At Christmas, Jamaica.